Hi everyone, Alan Lepofsky here from Constellation Research, and I want to talk to you today and ask some questions about next week's upcoming Boxworks conference in San Francisco. Now, Box has done a great job over the last few years of evolving their story from just being enterprise file sharing to becoming more of a content-centric collaboration platform. Now, that's been critical as just basic file sharing has become quite a commodity with tools like Microsoft OneDrive and Google Drive and others. So Box and Dropbox and Ignite and Intralinks and all sorts of other file sharing companies have had to evolve and be more than just file sharing in the cloud. Now, Box has done this by taking their files and making them available for developers to build into business processes. So things like product catalogs or doctors using x-rays during procedures, or insurance and claim forms and applications being accessible to people in the field and from mobile devices and all sorts of things. So Box has done a great job on the infrastructure and API end at really adjusting and evolving the company to being more than just basic file sharing. They've done a lot around security and administration, adding things like key management and user and group and directory management. They've improved their data centers and the infrastructures that they use to stream those files down to people. And last year they made big announcements with IBM about sort of partnering with IBM's enterprise content management team to bring all sorts of new business process and workflow features to Box. So what are we going to hear about this year? How's that partnership going? What new things is Box doing? Do they have new partnerships with other companies? Are they upping the ante in the things you can do around collaboration? How are things going with Box Notes, their file or sort of their note-taking application? All sorts of things that I'd like to see and hear about. So I'll be attending next week. I look forward to sharing the news with you. And if you have any questions about what's going to be taking place at Boxworks or things you want me to ask their executive or product management teams, please let me know. And I'll be reporting back to you live from Boxworks and then afterwards. So again, Alan Lepofsky from Constellation Research, and we'll see you next week at Boxworks. Bye.